Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Super Geek and today I'm going to tell you how you can install Google Assistant on your Windows PC. Yes, I'm talking about Google Assistant on your Windows PC. And no, I'm not going to talk about some emulator or stuff, just full-blown working Google Assistant on your Windows machine. Well, this also works on macOS, Linux and Ubuntu, so whatever PC you own, you can install Google Assistant on it right now. Now all you need is a computer with internet connection, of course. Then you'll need your Google account, and I recommend you to use the one which you have on your Android smartphone right now. So the assistant on your PC can behave just like your phone by accessing your personal information and data. Now, installing the Google Assistant is pretty easy, but setting it up is a bit of a task. So even if you don't understand the steps which we are going to perform in the tutorial, just keep on repeating that on your system and it will work out just fine. So let's get started then. Okay, before starting, please guys subscribe to my channel, like the video, hit the bell icon and always salt your pasta while boiling it. Okay, now let's do this. Okay, so first thing which we have to do is install this unofficial Google Assistant client on your desktop. The link for this GitHub page is in the description. So as you can see here, it's available for macOS, Ubuntu Linux and Windows PC. I'm gonna go ahead and install the Windows PC version. You can choose any one and click on next. Just install it normally. Once it's done, uncheck this Run Google Assistant and click on Finish. Now once that's done, all we have to do is open browser and go to this website called Action Console. The link for this page is in the description. It will ask you to log in via your Google account. Just do that and you'll reach this page. Just click on New Project. Put any name in this field. I'm gonna go ahead and put Super Geek Son. Click on Create Project. Go to the very bottom of this page and click on this link. Click here. It will do something in the pop-up. Okay, once the pop-up is gone, you have to click on this, click here again. And you'll reach this page. On this page, just click on Register Model. Put any product name. I'm gonna go ahead and put speaker. Choose any company name, Super Geek. And choose the device type. I'm gonna go ahead and put camera. Click on Register Model. And this is important. Download this file. And click on Next and click on Save Rights. Now once that's done, leave it as it is and open a new tab and go to Google Cloud Platform website, and you will see this page here. Not this page, it's some kind of nasty error going on. You'll reach this page and just click on Select a Project. Go to All and click the project which we just created here on Action Console. And you'll reach this page here. Go to the sidebar, click on API and Services. Once you're here, click on Enable API and Services. Now here, search for Assistant. Oh, sorry. Okay, now once this pop up, just click on Assistant and click on Enable. Now once it's enabled, all you have to do is go to credential. Now once you're here, click on configure consent screen. Now here, select external, click on create. Now here, select your email ID. There you go. Then go to the very bottom and just input your email ID again. And click on save and continue. Then go to the very bottom, save and continue. Again, save and continue. And finally, back to dashboard. Now once you're on the screen, scroll to test user section, click on add users, enter your email ID again here. Click on save again, and that's done. That's more like it. So it's done. Just close your browser and launch Google Assistant. Okay, once the Google Assistant is running, just hit the hotkey, which is Windows Shift A, to launch the assistant. And here it is. Just click on Get Started, click on Proceed, and it will reach this page. Now, when you're here, just click on Settings, click on Browse on this key file path, select the file which you downloaded, click on Save, and click on Automatically Set a Path. Now relaunch Assistant. Okay, once the Assistant will relaunch, it will open a tab in the browser with your Google Assistant login. Just log in via your Google account, Click on Continue. Click on Allow. Click on Allow again. And it will give you this code. Just copy the code using this icon. Go back to Assistant. Paste this code. Click on Submit. And it will ask you to relaunch the Assistant again. Now once it's done, you can close your browser, and there you go, relaunch Assistant, and that's it. Assistant is working just fine. You can use anything. You can use this text field to enter your question, or you can use mic, of course. Now I'm going to go into the settings, show you what you get in Google Assistant settings. Now this is your language. Now here you got themes. You can use light or dark. I'm gonna go with light because it matches my Windows theme. See, looks cool, right? Now I'm going to ask some question to demonstrate how Assistant works. So first things first, to launch the Assistant while it's running in the background, all you have to do is hit the hotkey. It don't work on OK Google or anything. Just hit the hotkey, which is Windows Shift A, and it will launch right up. And what you can do is you can enter questions in the text field, like joke.
Why won't the shrimp share its treasure? Because it's shellfish.
See, a bad joke, as you would expect from Google Assistant. Or you can use this mic icon to ask question. All right, I'm going to do that. Toss a coin.
It landed on tails.
See, it's working just fine. You can go back to your previous questions from here, and you can choose these suggestions. Or, okay, let's ask about weather. What's the weather like today?
Right now in Ghaziabad it's 24 degrees with haze. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecast high of 26 and a low of 12. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's 24.
Nice, right? I'm gonna do one more thing, like some normal questions. How tall is Qutub Minar?
The QP Minar is 73
See,
meters
it does
tall.
questions just fine. You can like resize this window. You can make it smaller like that, or you can go maximize full screen. That's pretty nice too. Okay, let's try games. I think Google Assistant has games. Play a game. Oh, okay.
The QP
here
Minar
we-
is 73 meters
Okay.
tall.
Play a game.
よしおくん聞き一発がおす
Oh,
す
it
めで
went
す。利用し
straight
ますか
Japanese mode. All right. Okay. Okay, I didn't expect that. All right. So there you go, guys. There you have it. Google Assistant working right on your desktop. And so that's pretty much it. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you liked the video, and please subscribe to the channel so I make more videos like this for you guys. And that's it. I'll see you next time.